Hi friends, welcome to Indian Actress Paradise. In this video, you are going to watch Rambha's top 5 waterfall scenes. Vijayalakshmi AD, popularly known as Rambha, is an Indian actress who had appeared in more than 100 films across 8 languages. Here are the list of top 5 waterfall scenes of Rambha. At number 5, Adimai Changili. This waterfall scene of Rambha was picturized for the film Adimai Changili. It is a 1997 Tamil action film starring Arjun Sarja in the main lead. It was directed by R.K. Selvamani. Rambha was beautifully picturized and captured waterfall scenes by the cinematographer M.V. Selvam. Rambha played a very glamorous role in the film. Number 4, Payum Puli. This waterfall scene of Rambha was picturized for the film Payum Puli. It is a 2007 Malayalam film starring Kalabhavan Mani in the lead role. It was directed by Mohan Rupleri. Rambha was beautifully picturized by the cinematographer Sri Shankar. Rambha played a very glamorous role in the film produced by Kingdom Movies. At number 3, Rashi. This waterfall scene of Rambha was picturized for the film Rashi. It is a 1997 Tamil film starring Ajit Kumar in the main lead. It was directed by Murli Appas and produced by S.S. Chakravarti. Rambha was beautifully picturized in this waterfall sequence by the cinematographer P. Rajan. Rambha played a very glamorous role in the film. Rambha's performance was appreciated by both critics and audience. At number 2, Pachatoranam. This waterfall scene of Rambha was picturized for the film Pachatoranam. It is a 1994 Telugu film starring Ramesh Babu in the main lead. It was directed by Adurti Sai Bhaskar. Rambha played a very glamorous role in the film. Rambha was beautifully picturized by the cinematographer, which was produced by Padmalaya Studios. Rambha's performance was hugely appreciated by both critics and audience. At number 1, Bandha Paramashivam. This waterfall scene of Rambha was picturized for the film Bandha Paramashivam. It is a 2003 Tamil film starring Prabhu in the main lead. It was directed by T.P. Gajendra and produced by P.T. Selvakumar. Rambha played a very glamorous role in the film, and Rambha was beautifully picturized by the cinematographer Rajarajan. This video is dedicated to Rambha, the dancing queen of Indian cinema. Thank you for watching our video. If you haven't subscribed for our channel, please subscribe to Indian Actress Paradise. Thank you once again from Indian Actress Paradise.